How's it going over here?
Good, man, good.
Some
Second
snacks?
day 2 of track day, baby.
Oh.
Oh, somebody just crashed.
Yes.
No, where? Somebody
out there.
The where? Are you serious? Yeah. Karen gave me some old blueberry muffins. Did he give you a credit if you can't go on the track? I'm gonna tell him Austin's here, bro, and he's filming everything.
Where'd you go?
I went to Toby's Donut Shop.
Go, Bill. Get that fancy camera from the movie theater. You'll love to use
Good as gone.
They didn't even cut the sandwich. You already ate? I had my yogurt this morning. Austin's filming. You do know that, man. Yeah. He's going to the bathroom so you can pee on his helmet for good luck.
So do we want to try that? Do we? Morning, Nick.
You need your film.
Good morning.
Hey.
So let them know, Austin, that you pee on your helmet for good luck.
So I pee on my helmet for good luck. Where I just came from, the bathroom. Bill, you ready?
Yeah.
Good.
Problem nobody did. Right here, right here, right here. Gotta get this. Okay. Got a car behind you. What do you do? Drop.
You heading out right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You hyped?
Let's do it. Let's do it, baby.
Woo.
Get it going.
Taking the ZL1?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Last experience was a little bit different. We're moving up in track days here. How you doing?
Let's go.
Back.
How was it, dog?
It's a little wet out there.
Yeah.
But definitely a good learning experience.
Sweet.
You know, first time out there on Watkins Glen.
Of course.
This car definitely does not like bad weather.
No.
It doesn't like bad weather, but it's controllable. It's controllable. You know, you can't get too crazy out there, especially with these conditions. But I'm looking forward to getting this baby on the track when it's dry out.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, talking to ghosts. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, now that Austin has a camera, you have better affect. I was filming you like, yeah, hi
I'm in a
guys.
car sitting down.
I had a great day.
You want to do it again? Let's do it. Let's do it.
And then Austin's here.
Austin's the man, bro.
In all sincerity, like, this is the same paddock that when NASCAR is here.
Yes.
This is the same paddock that all these like incredible professional cars will be. See my drop leg bag? I get comments. Is there a Glock in there? I don't know. Is there? Or is there not a Glock? It's not a. There's no Glock in here. You know what's in here? Chapstick. I think. Let's see what's in the pouch of Sherry Schwick today. We got Tylenol. We got a little Schwick Wheels merchy merch. We got Advil. We got a cord. And a wallet. See, no Glock. It's all just confidence and intimidation. What's up, riders? Shari and KJ. We're at day 2 at Watkins Glen, and unfortunately we have to shut it down a little bit earlier than we wanted to because of the weather. The track has gotten really wet, and top on that, it is really cold. Yes. The only good news is that it is not snowing. On a more unfortunate note, everyone is okay. Someone on a different team did have a crash about 30 minutes ago or so.
Everybody's okay, thank God.
Yep. So we're just kind of taking our lead from the track director and we're going to kind of slow things down. Highlight of the day is this guy.
Whoa.
Getting into the Camaro.
Oh yeah.
Yep, first time on Watkins Glen track with the Camaro.
Sweet.
What'd you think
Awesome.
about being on a road course like this?
It was good, it was good. A little bit different being that the track was slippery for my first time being on it, but it was definitely a good learning experience.
Cool.
And is this your first time with a professional driver with you?
First time with a professional track instructor with me, yes.
What was that like? Was that cool?
It was definitely good to see things from a different perspective and not have to learn everything on your own. I think that Nick is a great instructor, and he's been great this entire time helping out both myself, Billy, and everybody here.
Yeah.
And it's something that we kind of like to have on our team at Schwick Wheels is we all come with different strengths, we all got different things that we can work on, and we're just trying to keep it humble and like we all got something to learn. You know, we have these great instructors all throughout here. I mean, this is like a treasure trove of information and experience.
Not only that, I mean, everybody so far, even all the drivers have been very helpful with us. I mean, any tool that was needed, anything along that sort, everybody's been really nice so far on the trip.
Yeah, if you're definitely looking for a sport to get in that feels like really inclusive and like everybody's cool. I mean, we started our morning, somebody saw our compressors like, hey, can you help me with my tires? And so, you know,
we jumped right on it.
Exactly. It doesn't matter what your experience level is. You can come in as a novice, you can be a competitive professional driver, and there's something here for you. So if you're considering a sport, definitely consider racing and, you know, hang out.
It was a great day. We're looking forward to tomorrow as well. Also, oh wait, Shari, don't forget, don't forget.
There it is.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
The new merch is in front.
Being that we brought the McLaren today,
course. Matches the sweater.
Yeah. So we want to shout out 7 Brothers. Hit them on the gram. They hook us up.
Awesome job.
Yep.
Awesome job.
They look great.
Thank you so much. DM us. You can find Keith on Schwick Wheels on the gram, or you can find me, Shari, Schwick Wheels on the gram, and we'd be more than happy to connect with you. Ship this sweatshirt out.
Ooh.
Stay tuned because there's more merch coming.
Schwick Wheels out. Schwick Wheels out.